Hello, today we will guide you through how to sign in to CapCut with QR code. If you want a quick way to access your CapCut account without typing in your login details manually, signing in with a QR code can be a convenient option. This method is especially helpful if you're already logged in on another device and want to connect the app quickly and smoothly. To begin, open the CapCut app on your device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so you can clearly see the home screen and navigation options. If this is your first time opening it in a while, give it a moment in case it needs to refresh or display the latest sign-in options. Once you're inside the app, look toward the top left corner of the screen and select the sign-in option. This will take you to the login area where CapCut provides different ways to access your account. If you don't see it right away, just pause for a second and check the upper left section carefully, since placement can sometimes vary slightly depending on your device or app version. After that, choose the option to sign in with QR code. When you click this, a QR-based login screen should appear. From here, follow the on-screen procedure shown in the app. The exact prompts may vary, but CapCut will guide you through what needs to happen next in order to complete the sign-in process. As you go through this part, make sure to read each prompt carefully and allow any permissions if the app requests them and they are necessary for the sign-in flow. It's also a good idea to keep your screen steady and visible so the process can continue without interruption. If the QR code refreshes or changes, simply follow the updated on-screen instructions. If anything seems slow, wait a few seconds before clicking again, since the app may still be processing your request. A stable internet connection can also help the sign-in finish more reliably. Once the on-screen process is completed, you should be signed in and ready to use CapCut. At that point, you can continue with your editing or account setup as needed. That's all it takes to sign into CapCut with a QR code. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made the process simple and easy to follow.